Hey, Health Spiffy fam! Leo M here, and today we're diving into a topic that could be the secret sauce to unlocking your energy and vitality. 6 signs that your body desperately needs more vitamin B12. Trust me, this is the kind of knowledge that can turn your health game around, so stick around. Now, let's talk about the silent powerhouse that is vitamin B12. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, from energy production to maintaining a healthy nervous system. Fatigue central. Feeling more tired than your neighbor's cat after a marathon nap? It could be a sign that your body is running low on vitamin B12. This vitamin is like the superhero cape for your energy levels, and when it's lacking, fatigue swoops in. Mind the memory gaps. Ever find yourself in a room wondering why you went in there in the first place? If forgetfulness is becoming a frequent visitor, it might be signaling a vitamin B12 deficiency. This vitamin is a key player in cognitive function, and a shortage can impact your memory. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of vitamin B12 deficiency symptoms. Tingling tails. Have you experienced a tingling sensation in your hands or feet? This could be your body's way of saying, hey, I need more B12. Nerve damage due to deficiency can lead to these tingling episodes, and it's not a sensation we want to stick around. Shoo away the shadows. Feeling a bit blue lately? Vitamin B12 deficiency has been linked to mood disorders and can contribute to feelings of sadness or even depression. Don't let the blues take the stage. Let's bring in the B12 spotlight. Now, let's address the digestive drama that can be associated with vitamin B12 deficiency. Stomach woes. If you're dealing with digestive issues like constipation or diarrhea, vitamin B12 might be playing hide and seek in your system. Absorption of this vitamin happens in the stomach, so any digestive hiccups can affect the B12 party. Listen to your heart. Literally. Anemia, a condition where your body lacks enough red blood cells to carry oxygen, is a potential outcome of vitamin B12 deficiency. This can lead to a rapid or irregular heartbeat, and your ticker deserves better than that. Let's get real. Nobody wants brittle nails and a lackluster mane. Vitamin B12 is here to the rescue. Hair and nail woes. Brittle nails and excessive hair loss can be distressing, but they can also be a call for help from your body. Vitamin B12 is involved in cell production, including the cells that contribute to healthy hair and nails. Muscle power outage. Feeling weak or experiencing muscle weakness? It might not be a lack of exercise. It could be a vitamin B12 deficiency. This vitamin plays a role in maintaining healthy muscle function, and a shortage can lead to weakness. So, what's the solution to this vitamin B12 puzzle? Let's break it down, step by step. Diet detective. Start by incorporating B12-rich foods into your diet, such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. If you're on a plant-based diet, consider fortified cereals and supplements. Medical marvels. If you suspect a deficiency, consult with a healthcare professional. They can conduct tests to determine your B12 levels and recommend appropriate supplements if needed. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. If you've been feeling more fatigued than a sloth on a Monday, experiencing memory lapses, tingling sensations, digestive drama, mood swings, or noticing changes in your hair, nails, and muscles, it might be time to give vitamin B12 a second look. And there you have it, Health Spiffy fam. The signs that your body is desperately craving more vitamin B12. Knowledge is the key to a healthier, spiffier you, so don't underestimate the power of these tiny but mighty vitamins. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health wisdom, and share it with friends who might need a B12 boost. Until next time, stay spiffy and stay healthy.